I'm gonna make a to-do app. No, I need a unique app idea. B2B AI SaaS automation that scales crypto market. I gotta make LinkedIn for cats. I think I need to build a to-do app.
I saw this picture a few years ago and thought, what a silly meme. Of course, a fresh app idea is always better. And it took me only a few years and a bunch of apps from indie projects to corporate enterprise systems to learn this. The apps that actually make the easy money, they're not the unique ones. And your one-of-a-kind app idea is probably gonna fail. Let me explain.
Okay.
I see this pattern a lot. Someone pitches me an app and they're like, it's a social network for fitness with AI-powered meal planning and NFT achievements and a marketplace for trainers, and I'm just thinking, who asked for this? Here is why unique and complex apps almost always fail. Number 1, you're solving a problem that doesn't exist or people don't care about it. You've created complexity because you think it makes you stand out, but nobody cares about the innovation, they want useful stuff. Problem number 2, nobody understands what you're creating. If I can't explain your app idea to my grandma in one sentence, you're cooked. It shouldn't be, it's like Instagram meets LinkedIn, but for dog owners who do yoga. Why? Problem number 3, there is no market feedback, no proven demand. You're flying blind. You might as well do gambling and lose the money. It's even better, at least you have some fun. But here is where it gets interesting, because what I'm about to tell you goes against everything you've heard. Stop avoiding competition, start chasing it. The apps that actually make money, they are in the crowded markets. Expense trackers, habit trackers, PDF scanners, note-taking apps, there are literally thousands of them. And you know what? They're making money. I know what you're thinking.
Liar.
Isn't that market saturated? Don't I need to find a gap in the market? You do, but you don't have to create a whole new market for your app. That's a big trap. Find a market that exists and find the gaps in that market. So a crowded market is not a red flag. It's the ultimate green flag. It's validation.
Approved.
And for those of you who are a bit disappointed or a bit confused, let me explain the different types of the apps. Because not all apps are created equal. Wow. There are really 3 types of apps. 1, the giants. Uber, Amazon Audible, DoorDash, Duolingo. They're not just an app, they are a business with huge marketing budgets that need an app to exist. If you're thinking about this category, think about it twice. You'll need millions in funding, a massive team, infrastructure, regulatory. Forget it, you need government.
I love Tesla.
And honestly, I think most of us are not playing this game. The second type is the internal business tools. Apps and tools that help companies run their internal systems smoothly. Think about custom CRMs, inventory management, workflow automation, internal dashboards, and etc. This is actually a huge market, especially after the AI and no-code revolution that made these apps a lot more feasible, both in terms of time and the money you have to invest. Companies are desperate for tools that fit their specific workflows. And with no code and AI code, you can do it alone. Leave a comment if you wanna see a video dedicated to this one. So let's focus on type 3, indie and small apps. Apps where the entire value proposition lives inside the app itself. And I'm pretty sure this is where most of you watching are building. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up, even subscribe. Let me show you some cold hard numbers. Sleeping apps. This one is randomly making 800k. Habit trackers. Streak is making 8k. Or this one, Habit Kit, an amazingly simple app. It's making 30k a month. Expense trackers, this one is making 60, and a lot of them are doing the same thing.
But different.
See the pattern? Boring categories, tons of competition, real money. Now, how do you actually win in these markets? You don't need innovation, you need differentiation. To make it a bit easier, here are 3 practical ways you can do this. Number 1, this is counterintuitive, but go simpler. Look at all the existing solutions and what are they overcomplicating. Most apps add features until they're bloated. You strip down to the core problem, create a minimalist app, and this one is closely related to a better UX. A lot of apps have good UI but bad UX. This is your opening. Make it prettier, make it faster, make it feel premium. Add some character to it to make it feel special.
They actually slide over from the previous page.
Isn't it more fun to have a cat watch you as you build your habits? And next, target a niche. Don't build another habit tracker. Build a habit tracker for parents with toddlers, people with ADHD,
Dingle, dangle, dingle, dangle.
fitness competitors, remote workers. And suddenly, you are not competing with everyone. You are the solution for someone. I think that's enough for today. If you want to learn one thing from this video, it's ideas no longer matter. What is crucial is differentiation and execution. Good luck and see you in the next one.